All right, Redline Racing, adjustable rear pulley. This is the clutch pulley, and the adjustability you'll see in one sec. We're going to pull off this bolt and slide this guy up, and you can see there's grooves in this. So you can move the position of these pins in the groove, and the straighter splines are for quicker takeoff, and the 3 bent splines are for higher top speed. So you can adjust the tuning of your rear clutch and how it impacts by just moving the slide in here. Got grease everywhere. Redline Racing Clutch allows you to tune your scooter for more power, more acceleration, higher top speed. And this also has high-grade needle bearings, HK 172/518 RS, so you can know that your Redline Racing clutch is going to last a long time. This fits QMB139 application. So check out Redline Racing rear clutch pulley today, only available at Scooterworks USA.